Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be making some honey chili wings. So Hakka recently dropped their recipe and I wanted to share my vision with you guys. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to make. We're going to start with our washed and clean wings, and to that I'm adding all-purpose seasoning. Now if you wanted to add some additional salt to the wings, you can. I just chose not to. So you want to give that a good mix and allow it to marinate for about an hour or more. And after it's finished marinating, we're going to mix a 1/4 cup of flour with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can season this mixture if you wanted to. I didn't. And we're going to dredge the chicken wings, shake off any excess flour, and we're going to fry these on a medium heat until they're golden brown. Small wings take about 12 minutes. If they're larger, they can take from 15 to 20 minutes. Just make sure it's properly cooked. Give them a flip once they start browning on one side. And when they're finished, drain and set aside. In a wok on a medium heat, add in oil. Go in with some finely chopped bell peppers, chili peppers or habanero peppers. In goes ginger and garlic, not too much because we're not making Chinese style chicken, but we just want the flavor. In goes chopped sweet peppers and onions, and we're going to blister these. So we're adding a little smokiness. Now add in your sweet chili sauce. Next goes in some white pepper, light soy sauce. This is going to add some salt to the sauce. You guys can also add a pinch of salt here also if you wanted. A squeeze of honey goes in next. And you're going to mix and allow this to cook for about 20 seconds. Now we're going to drop in our wings and some chopped scallions, or as we say in Trinidad, scythe, and toss to coat. Now you'd want to taste it, taste the sauce, make sure it has enough salt to your liking. You can always add some more salt from the top. And this is now ready to be served. This is the best served hot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you for joining me. Do remember to stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.